Hello, have you been here before about cable network? Do you know what is cable access network? Cable access network is cable internet access provide network edge connectivity from the internet service provider to an end user. Network cable are used to connect and transfer data and information between computers, router, switch, and storage area networks. There are different types of communications cables, and the appropriate type to use will depend on the structure and topology of the overall architecture of the system. For examples, coaxial cable, multi-pair cable, and twisted pair cable.
There are different models of access to the internet through the cable networks. Such model drift, drift regarding the implementation of data transmission in the downstreams and upstreams direction. One of the approach is a hybrid network where data in the downstreams direction is sent by via cable TV network and upstream direction is used another network such as dial up access via a telephone line. And for your information, this approach, the data is received by all users on the same cable in downstream directions. The most used nowadays for internet service over cable access network is two-way data transmission over the cable network based on DOCSIS. DOCSIS is data over cable service interface specifications, and it used for distribution for service from the cable provider to the end user.
DOCSIS 1.0. This is first standard for broadband internet access via cable access network. Provide possibility for service device to connect via cable modem to internet. DOCSIS 1.1. This version exchange version of previous one by adding QoS support. Provide more flexibility to cable operator to implement different service level agreement known as SLAS with end user and different business approach for commercial delivery service. DOCSIS 2.0 version 2.0 is target to upstream direction and it exchange the bit rate in upstream up to 27 megabytes per second. This version provides possibility for symmetric IP service over the cable network. DOCSIS 3.0. The newest DOCSIS standard 3.0 provides several important novelties such as support for IPv6 and IPTV. With the channel bonding in DOCSIS 3.0, cable network can provide bitrate up to at least 170 megabyte per second in downstream and 120 megabyte per second in upstream for given end user. The packet cable specification defines the interface used to enable interoperability of equipment for the transmission of packet-based voice, video, and other broadband multimedia service over an HFC network using the DOCSIS. In fact, packet cable is used to create a super network that unites more two-way broadband cable access network. Main reason for the development of packet cable was provisioning of packet-based voice communication for users connected to cable network. Beside version for delivery of VoIP over the cable access network, there is also specific packet cable multimedia as CoS architecture for real-time IP service. There are several versions of packet cable as follows. First, packet cable 1.0 and 1.5. The first version define end-to-end architecture targeted to voice service, such as telephony, over DOCSIS-based cable access network. The voice in this case is provided using so-called managed IP network instead of public internet. The exchange such as switches and signaling not found in PSTN are located in several less expensive general purpose server in the network. Overall, the architecture of packet cable is consisted of three networks: DOCSIS HFC access network, managed IP network, and PSTN. The node which interconnect the DOCSIS access network and core network, such as managed IP network, is CMTS. The managed IP network has a signaling gateway SG for the control plane and media gateway MG for handling data traffic from or to the user, such as the user plane. Version 1.5, among other improvements, extend packet cable functionalities with SIP season initiation protocol. Second, packet cable multimedia. This is a so-called initiative that defines the CoS-based service platform for delivery of different multimedia service over DOCSIS 1.5 or higher version of DOCSIS access network, and it is generally based on PacketCable 1.0, but it expands certain functionalities of the packet cable, such as horizontal for CoS-based service, admission control functionalities, higher flexibility for accounting and billing, security, and so on. Last but not least, PacketCable 2.0. This version includes an all-IP functionality to the core part of the cable network, such as SIP functionalities as well as IMS IP multimedia subsystem, as shown in the packet cable reference architecture. This way, the transport network and service are split, so application service can deliver service independently of the access network, those including non-cable access, such as wireless access. With the introduction of IMS, which is based on SIP, Cable Lab has defined several voice service or application such as SIP telephony, HD high definition voice, and so on.